y'all, it's your girl Courtney, and I want to welcome you back to my channel once again. Now, in today's video, I am participating in the Egg-cellent Easter Collab 2021, hosted by the Daughters of Destiny. Some fabulous decorating and design divas like myself who are giving it up for the people on YouTube, and I'm here for it. I'm here for all of it on it. Now, we were tasked to create a tablescape that must include eggs for Easter. So you sit back, relax, while I get on into it. For our Egg-cellent tablescape, I've started with a pink. On top of that, I'm going to use these white chargers. That was a DIY. And I'll link that down below. On top of the white chargers, I'm using a pink dinner plate. And these were a thrift find. I found at the Salvation Army. A full service for $8 for $8. Ah, what a buy. I think that pink is giving me a nice vibe for Easter. I like what I'm getting here. On top of that, I'm using a pink to the matching set, a pink salad plate. And on top of the salad plate, I have these beautiful iridescent white stars that I'm adding. For our centerpiece, I have a beautiful clear pitcher that I got from Big Lots. And to that pitcher, I'm just going to add some vase filler. And to that, I'm going to add these pink peonies that I got from Ollie's for $1.99 per stem. And I must say, flower arranging is not exactly my forte. But I do the best I can. Of the table, I'm also going to add these little white styrofoam bunnies that I got from Hobby Lobby. They were $5.99, and then I had a 40% off coupon. So I'm just going to put them right there and face one in either direction. Next, I have some eggs that I also got from Hobby Lobby. These were $3.99, and I also had a coupon for these. I bought them on separate occasions. The next thing I have is some candles for our table. And these were another DIY, a Dollar Tree DIY. And I'll link that video down below as well. And to that, I have these little egg-shaped candles that I got from Dollar Tree. Just to add another layer to our table. I'd also picked up this pink burlap ribbon also at Dollar Tree. And that's just going to add another layer and dimension to our table. And I'm just going to take that and kind of weave that in and out of our tablescape. Next, I'm going to add my napkin. I have a white dinner napkin and I have a pink as well. And I'm going to take them and layer them. The white on the bottom, pink on the top, and put them through our napkin ring. And the napkin rings were also a DIY. For our coasters, I have a mirrored glitter coaster that I got from the Dollar Tree, and you may have seen me use this for our Valentine's Day tablescape. And I'm just simply placing those at a diagonal to the right of our plate, of our place setting. For our glassware, I have these stemless wine glasses from BB that I purchased at, I believe it was Burlington.